I bought this outlet to be able to add multiple ports to place in the garage where I need more outlets. So this screw here goes all the way through to the back and screws into the outlet screw that where basically the cover comes off. Then these go into the outlet and then it expands into 5 additional outlets. As you can see, 2 on each side, 1 in the middle. Plus you get 3 traditional USBs and then USB-C. So the reason I like this a lot is I can have in the garage my irrigation system plugged in, some power tools. I could have a speaker system plugged into the USB and then phone plugged into USB-C on my workbench as I'm doing things. And it's just a great option to replace a traditional 2-prong outlet that you don't really get a lot of options with, or running extension cord across your workbench. So I really like this, and if you're looking for an option like this, I highly suggest this one because it's really high quality and works really well.